Welcome to the YouTube channel. We are out on Lake Erie. I say we because I got Becca with me behind the camera. We are just getting set up to our spot. It's about noonish, 1 o'clock. But we had to find some clean water because the lake is really muddied up right now. So we decided to head east a little. And as you can see, the water is really clean. The wind's coming out of the west. So we were hiding behind some islands. Right now the water temp is 57 degrees. And we are in 34 foot of water to start out. Some baits I got a Bandit here. We got some Berkley Hitsticks and some Berkley Flicker Minnow number 9s. So we're gonna get them set out. I'm gonna set this Bandit out at my highest bait. I'm gonna let it out 55 feet. And that should put us down around like 12, 13 foot. Okay, so I'm gonna get the last bait out. So that's a Flicker Minnow, Berkley Flicker Minnow number 9. Had some insider information. That guy caught them today on them. So I got a couple of them out. I'm gonna put this one out 85 feet. And that should put it about 18 feet down. There we go. So I'm running church planer boards. These are they call these the walleye board. They're just a little bit bigger, sturdier board. They work great for big water. I'll show you how I hook these up. So this is a mini lockjaw clamp. You can get these from church. I added these on. And then I also have the double action flag. So I got my line here. I'm gonna put it into the clamp. And then I'm actually gonna loop it around the clamp. And then shut that jaw on it. Just like that. And then that board is not going anywhere. It is fixed. And then you have a pin here. You're gonna raise that up and it goes into that slot. If you didn't have the flags, that's all you need. But I have the flags. To make the flags work, you gotta give this line some slack. And then we're gonna put it in the clamp here in the back. And then the reason why you need the slack is because that is how you're going to detect a bite, that slack in the line. If that was tight, this thing couldn't go back. And then I am going to let this out 40 feet. So I like to keep my boards 30 feet apart. So I have 100 foot on my outside board right now, 70 foot the next board, and then this one will be 40. And I tell you what, if the bite's a little slow and you don't have a lot of boats around you, I think it really matters to get them boards as far away from the boat as possible. So sometimes I'll bump them boards out a lot farther throughout the day. Okay, let's see if we can get a fish. Got all the boards set up. Now we just gotta wait. Okay, we are hooked up. Little board. I'm gonna reel this board in, take it off, and then just put it on the other side. Take this board off, it's really important not to snap that line. Just let her have the tension of the fish on the rod. I'm going to get the net here. Nice fish. I fell in the splash well there. Okay. Came on that flicker minnow number 9. Hook came off the back. I wonder if that's still in her. Oh yeah, it's still in her. Ripped that hook right off. There we go. Hey, there we go. First fish of the day. Came on that flicker minnow number 9. Probably 20, 21 inch fish. Awesome. Oh yeah, it took off. We're good. Let's get another one. Get driving. Yeah, we got a board kind of dropping back, but the flag's down. Kind of checked it, and we're gonna see if there's a fish on there. What does it feel like? Maybe.
It doesn't feel like it's not.
It's always easy to check the inside board.
Might be. There's something on it. It's not good.
Yeah, there's a fish. Oh yeah, it's a walleye.
It's bad now. Wow, that fish felt so much lighter compared to the other one.
Yeah, I mean, it barely took the board back. It might just be the way we're going with the wave. That's what's kind of nice about the double action flags. I don't know if we would have known that fish was on if that flag wasn't down, because that board did not drop back very far. Another one on the flicker minnow. Yeah. There we go. No giant, but that was a perfect eater if you're eating fish today. Or if we were eating fish, but I'm gonna get them back. It's all charged up. There we go. Got the purple monster today, ultra violet. Kind of matches that Berkley flicker minnow that we just caught that last walleye on. Just had our outside board drop back. Pretty sure that's our gender reveal Bandit, and I had it out 55 feet. It went way back. It's either big walleye or a sheep, I said.
This is a sit-down job.
Is it?
Yeah.
How's it feeling?
It's feeling heavy.
Yeah.
A lot heavier than the other one.
Yep. It's all right. Yep, I think we lost that one. I think he got off there. That might have been a sheep. That's all right, we'll get it back out. I don't know, that one might have been a big walleye, but we never saw it, so it might be easier said that it just was a sheep head. Get these boards back in the water, see if we can get another one. All right, we just changed things up. I just took all the baits off except for the flicker minnow number 9s, and we got a fish on inside board there. Let's get that sucker in. This one's fire tiger. I usually don't like running fire tiger, but here we are, 100 foot out. Nice. Yeah. You know, like that big one, it had the rod bent. That was a big fish. Good. Oh yeah, it looks like a tank. It looks like a really good one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one there. Great fish, babe. Oh yeah, and he's off in the net. That rubber net and that Ranger net makes it so easy to get the baits out. That is a dandy of a fish. You want to get the measuring stick, it's inside that gunnel. Oh yeah, we'll take ones like that all the time. I'm guessing 22, 23. Good.
Yep.
Oh yeah, almost 24. 23 and a half. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Well guys, I think we're gonna wrap this video up. I'm gonna get this fish back. Appreciate you guys all watching. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more like it, please subscribe. 23 incher going back. There we go.